Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? This video is on Osmania biscuits. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And I thank all the subscribers who have subscribed my channel and have created playlists of unboxing eatables. You can go to my channel, click on them, watch if you're interested, and give your valuable feedback and share with your friends. This Osmania biscuits is by Shubham Bakers. You can find in the grocery stores of Hyderabad. This biscuit is crunchy. This is named after Usman Alikhan, the seventh Nizam. This is a Hyderabadi cuisine. He liked the biscuits made at Vikachi Hotel, a popular restaurant in those days at Abbott's in Hyderabad. And he came every evening to Nazari Bagh to fetch the biscuits for him. This costs 220 rupees, half kg from Shubham Bakers. And so date is given before you, which you got to use the best before date, that is. This is very famous snack in Hyderabad. In the mornings you have to have Irani chai with this at Charminar, and it tastes unique from other biscuits. If you're interested, you can order online also. It's tasty with little sweet and bit salty. Initially it was used by Nizam as a salt biscuits. It is, I would say, not good for health because refined flour maida is used. So you can have only limited. I have made videos on other eatables also, Japanese chips and never baked, never fried chips. You can see once and watch them if you're interested. Please do share, subscribe, like. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.